Today we are going to do a project like this. So basically we are going to cut the tree bars into several pieces and hang it up and making a Christmas tree shape. So let's get started. First I will use the measuring tape to measure the size. Okay. So I finished measuring. So let me introduce the tools for cutting these wood bars. So Deko provides several cutting tools, and today we are going to use. First is this one, our new jigsaw, and another cutting tool we are going to use today is this one, circular saw. This is our 168 piece set, and we provide a hand saw here, very handy. So yes, we are using 3 cutting tools today to cutting the wood bars. Don't forget to put on the gloves. I will use our brushless drill to penetrate these wood bars, so I can using the rope to hang it up. So let's do it now. Let me find the. So here is our big set, Deko big set. For multiple use, you can always find your needed one. So for this one, I think I will use the next step is assembly.